Okay, guys, these last four questions are going to focus not on finding the account balance, but the amount needed to deposit, whether that is a one-time deposit or a periodic deposit. And so a couple of these questions, sorry, the next two questions and then the last two questions look similar, but one is a one-time and one is periodic. So that's how they differ. Taking a look at this one about Travis and Tiffany. Travis and Tiffany want to have $35,000 for a down payment on a house in 10 years. So this is going to be the account balance that they want, not my P value, but my B value. And that time value is, or the time value is going to be 10 years here. The account earns 5%, and I'm going to go ahead and convert that, my rate, 5% as a decimal is going to convert to 0.05, and that is going to be compounded monthly. You guys, there are 12 months in a year, so that's how often it will get compounded. We need to know how much they deposit today to have $35,000 in 10 years. You guys, so that's why I've given you this formula. It's for finding the principal amount needed on a one-time deposit. So this is what that formula looks like. So principal equals your balance that you want, which was 35 grand. And then in the denominator, we have 1 plus your rate, 0.05, divided by n of 12. And that's going to get raised to the 12 times 10. Okay? Go into Desmos for that because we definitely do not want to calculate that by hand. 35,000 divided by the parentheses 1 plus 0.05 out of 12. Raising that to the 12 times 10. So if they want to have $35,000 in 10 years, this is the amount they're going to need to deposit. And because it's dollars, we are going to round to two decimal places, okay? So taking a look at that, it looks like 21,250.636. So that principal amount needed, 21,250.636. Just want to make sure I remembered it correctly. Okay, beautiful. And I did. We are going to round that at two places. And since this third number is a 6, we are going to round this up. So that amount that they'll want to deposit today is 21,250.64. That is going to round up and become 64 cents. And that's the final answer.